Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Tutorials, where I provide you with daily tech tips and helpful guides. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password for your online banking account in Bank of Philippine Islands. First, make sure you have a good internet connection and it's working properly. Then go ahead and open up a web browser. On the search bar, type in bpi.com.ph, then press enter. Now in the top right corner, click on the option that says login. And then click on the option that says password right here. Now to type in your username here, select your product here. I'm going to go with my debit card. Now type in your debit card number here, whichever number for the option you choose, and then choose your date of birth here. Click on this box to get verified, and then click on next. Once you click on next, you should be directed to another page where they'll further guide you on how you can reset your password for your online banking account for Bank of Philippine Islands. Make sure to follow all the steps carefully and you should be able to successfully reset your password. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides just like this.